Hello everyone, this is Drew with xDrive Drives at Grubbs Family of Dealerships, and today let's go for a drive in the 2023 BMW 330i xDrive. This vehicle has a 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder with 255 horsepower and 295 pound-feet of torque, and you have an 8-speed automatic transmission. Really nice car right here. 330i is a nice little car to drive. You have a heated steering wheel in this one. You also have metal shift paddles, and this has iDrive 8 with the big screen, which kind of has like a curved display. You have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto in this vehicle. You also have built-in navigation, and this is like the newer shift lever you'll find in BMWs. I miss the old one. I don't really like this too much personally, but it is what it is, I guess. And you have a sport mode, comfort, and Eco Pro. You have like the black synthetic leather. You have a nice sunroof. It's not panoramic obviously, but it's a big sunroof. For a small sedan, it's a pretty big sunroof. Instead of being like just like this big, it's a pretty big, especially in person. You can see that, which is a nice touch for sure. Let's walk around this 5 Series or 3 Series. This one's finished in black sapphire metallic. You have LED headlights. Here are your rear seats. I do like the stitching in the seats, it looks good. 330i, dual outlet exhaust, xDrive. This is not an M Sport or anything, it's just a regular one. The M Sport will give you sportier M wheels with a spoiler and everything like that. Excuse me. Let's get out on the road and see how it drives. So obviously that's the backup camera. It's nice. You see that 740i over there? I have a video on that car if you want to check it out, as well as the 840i. A lot of BMWs that I review on this channel. BMW is my favorite car brand, so, and I personally own an M3 G80, which I also need to get more videos on. I've been slacking on that. I'll have one POV drive on that car. BMWs just have a great drive, you know, all of them, whether it's a base model car or an M Sport or a full M vehicle. They all are driver oriented in, you know, they're fun to drive, they're nice to throw, you can easily throw them around corners. The steering is nicely weighted. Nothing really drives like a BMW. Oh, this is a 4-cylinder. It has a nice sound. It has a nice little rumble to it. Sounds deep. Has a deep exhaust tone and not like a raspy 4-cylinder tone. And the transmission in BMWs is one of the best in the industry. Super quick shifting and very fun. nice and smooth drive. Let's take a U-turn over here. Steering feels nice too. And honestly, I'm not the biggest fan of iDrive 8. I have iDrive 7 in my M3 and I really prefer that because this is just overwhelming to me. It's just too much, at least to me. I don't know how you guys feel about it. Let me know in the comments below. iDrive 7 in my car, I have a digital gauge cluster and a nice screen. That's all I really need, and it makes the cabin look more well put together, because this screen, giant screen, just seems like it was like glued on. That's what I feel. I mean, it looks cool for sure, but it's just too overwhelming to me. And then like all these menus and stuff, it just kind of freaks me out. And then also it's just like, just to do something small, you have to scroll through all these menus. And also, I'm not the biggest fan of having to adjust AC settings through the screen. I like to have physical buttons. I might be call me old school, old fashioned or whatever, but I mean, I don't know. I think iDrive 7 was the perfect version of BMW's infotainment. iDrive 8, as I said, is cool, but like the gauges just don't have character anymore. It's just like a screen. But at the end of the day, I think a lot of people prefer iDrive 8, so it makes sense. But me, I prefer iDrive 7, especially in the M3. Being a performance-oriented vehicle, I really like iDrive 7 in my car. I don't like in the newer G80s and G82s and stuff, I don't like the big screen in those cars because it doesn't really need it. But overall, it's still cool. Just my preference. But this is a nice little car. But overall, that is about it. Thank you for watching another video of Drew Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing and be sure to check out the link to Grubbs Family Dealerships in the description below if you'd like to shop for new and pre-owned BMWs.